This is our 300W suitcase laser cleaning machine. Small size and lightweight. You can pull and lift it. Open. This is our 300W laser cleaning head. Weight less than 1 kg. Small and portable. Comfortable to hold. The front end is equipped with a control screen. Sealed and dust-proof display. Built-in ranging function. Support 9 scanning modes. Turn on the power supply. Access to compressed air. Release the emergency stop button. Turn on the power switch. System startup. Near and far dual control screen. Wear laser protective glasses. Take out the cleaning head. Active mirror cover. Set parameters. Start cleaning. Sign mode. Straight line mode. Rectangular mode. Circular mode. Spiral mode. Free mode. Green mode. Rotation mode.